Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2007 NISSAN MAXIMA and we're doing a couple repairs on it. I'm going to split this video up. The first repair we're going to start with is front shocks. Front shock assembly. So we got brand new parts and we're going to do the rear after that. That should be quicker. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we got the car up in the air. Jack stands for safety measures. We're gonna get this wheel off. We're gonna take both of them off. Get it going. Shock assembly. Alright, so we got a couple bolts. We got a few things we got to take off. These nuts here, knock those out. ABS wire, got to get that brake line off of there. ABS wire back here. Sway bar link, hit that, remove that. And then you got the bolts up under here. We got to take this off. Got these tags holding it down. Alright, we got them off. That's what I use. Alright, and now we got these 3 bolts here. That's what we're looking at. We got a 19 on that bolt. Hold this in because it will spin when you try to loosen it up. Flathead, get up under here, pry that up, get that off. Gonna fly off, push that through, get that off. That, I didn't take that out just yet. I'm gonna take that out last. Now I'm gonna get that bolt. Alright, in order to get that 19 or that 17 millimeter off of there, you gotta hold the back of it because it's gonna spin. Gotta hold the back of that. That's how I got that off. And I went ahead and took off that bottom bolt. And that's it for the bottom. Now we gotta go to the top. Those 14 millimeters. Now we can pull this out. Alright, these are the right parts. They ordered the wrong ones. That's the left one. That's the right one. So that top button matching up. Now we good. We can go ahead and put this in here. Alright, put that in first. It's turning to 15 millimeters. Now, if you put that top part in first and then it don't line up down here, all you need to do is just grab it and just twist it, and you'll be able to line it up right here and get the bolts in there. And we back in there. This side we got these tabs here, 1, 2, 3. Alright, we on the rear.
Take care of everybody.
Got a bolt down here. And then we got these 2 bolts right here. That's it. You got that bolt out. I had to knock that out. 12 mil.
And then they lock my ass up.
Push that off.
Can't do that shit. You gotta be careful when you drive.
Gotta take that nut off. Put this mount on the new one. To keep that from spinning, I put my vice grips on there. Back that out. Swap it out. Alright, get that up. Reassemble. That on there. That's next. That's next. And that's next. That. And then that. Tighten that down. Shouldn't have to hold the middle like I was trying to get it off the first time. Alright, now we're ready to go in. So all we need to do is just push it up and see how I can get it shorter and line it right up. Alright, tap that nut in there, that bolt, tighten it down. And we got those lined up and tightened down. And that is it for front and rear shocks. Until next time, pull up king.